Hey Grange Park, have you ever wanted to know how to do the washing? Yes? Well, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you sort out your dirty washing. I've got a whitewash. To know what temperature to put it on, you should be alright at 40 degrees, but if you don't know, your clothes will have a label on to tell you, and it's very small, but that one says 40 degrees. So I'm going to put these all on at 40 degrees. But first I'm going to check my washing and put it in the machine. So what you will need to check, which is my pet hate, is when there's tissues in the pockets. So always check the pockets if you don't want a tissue in your wash. There we go. It hasn't got pockets. There they go. Right, so my washing machine is just over half full. Don't overfill your machine. I'm using a liquid detergent. Come and have a look. At the back, it will give you the instructions of how much you need, and also the softener gives you the instructions there, or the amounts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is fill up my cap. As you can see, there's a line which is a guide for the amount. I've just gone over, it doesn't matter, it's a whitewash. Pop it on top of my washing, the back of the drum. Close the door, open this drawer. If I was using a powder detergent, I'd have to put that in there, but I'm not, it's already in. I'm going to pour a cap full of softener and put it in my middle drawer. Most washing machines have a little flower so you know where the fabric softener goes. Okay, shut that carefully, don't want to spill anything. Put the washing machine on. Turn it on, and it's already set the temperature to 30. I don't want 30 degrees. I want 40, so I can change it. Okay, I do want the synthetic wash because most of my clothes are a mixture of cottons and synthetics, but you have other options. It's normally cottons or synthetics. Okay, now I can change the length of time. That's a long wash, middle wash, short wash. I'm going for a medium wash or middle wash. I'm going to press start. And you'll hear the door lock.